It's a beautiful day here on the River Avon near Amesbury, but you don't need me to tell you it's been a pig of a winter with torrential rain and widespread flooding. And it's rivers like these that have taken the brunt of it.
It's been the worst winter we've had for ages.
I'm with Steve Trevett, head keeper of the Salisbury and District Angling Club, who looks after 30 miles of prime fishing river. He's had to close 2 miles in all.
Where we're walking now, this has been underwater up until probably about a month and a half ago, so mid-January this was all underwater.
The paths were covered in silt and many are still boggy, slippery and treacherous.
Because of the unprecedented flows, lots of the banks have undercut and been eroded away, so whereas normally a bank could be quite firm on the edge, you've just got to be aware of, or our members have got to be aware of, don't step too close, they will give way, potentially give way, and if you fall in a river of 4 or 5 foot of water like this now in the cold weather, it wouldn't be good news.
Several stretches have been restored with fresh chalk, but nasty surprises just keep on coming. Last week this willow crashed into the river, its roots loosened by weeks of erosion. What sort of problems is this causing you there? We
have some weed cutting in a couple of weeks' time. Hundreds and hundreds of tons of weed will be coming down here, and if we didn't remove this or part of it, we're going to have a blockage and then it'll be a lot of work.
The Salisbury Club is the second largest in the UK with some 2,500 members. They pay £200 a year. The more exclusive trout fishing clubs charge £200 a day. But for all anglers, this season comes with warnings, especially if they wade out into the river.
There could be branches which can wash down. If there's gravel areas where it's been a silty area, that can give way quite easily if you're from slack areas to fast flowing areas. The levels are dropping slowly, but there's an awful lot of flow, so they have to be very careful wading. Yes, there is potential of drowning.
Roger Finn for BBC South Today on the River Avon.